Hey, this is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're doing this look. You're not going to believe what we're going to use to do this. So I want you to stick around because one product, you're going to use it 3 times. So hang with me. Let's go do it. Okay, so we're going to get ready to do this. This is absolutely gorgeous. I did it the other day, and it was the first time I did it on my beauty page, and I didn't practice it. I just did it, okay? So I have an idea of how to do it at least. You're going to need at least a couple of brushes, you know, because everybody's eyes are different. I have really small eyes, so I'm probably going to use the smaller one. This is 211 and 212. So the bigger one is 212, and the smaller one is 211. I'm going to use this one here. And my dog's scratching. I'm sorry. She just can't help herself. But this is the most beautiful color. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And so what I'm going to do, I am going to use this on my cheeks. I'm going to use it on my lips. And I'm going to use it on my eyes. Now, the eyes are going to be last. We're going to do that last. So this is what it looks like when you're putting it on. This is very creamy. It's really nice for your mature skin. So I always start like here in the corner, and there, I got a pimple, y'all. Look at that. That came up overnight. I don't know. I'm 60. I ain't supposed to have pimples, am I? I got one. It's a shiner too. Look at it. All right, so we're going to come right here, and I'm going to be right here at the corner of my eye, and I'm going upward with this. Now, that does look like a bright color, but watch. When it blends out, you're going to go, oh, wow, that's really pretty. It is very pretty because it blends out really sheer, and it just gives you this warm little glow. Now, I am going to come back and I'm going to do some bronzer, but I wanted to do this first because I absolutely love this color. Now, I was real hesitant about this color at first. I was like, ooh, I don't know if that'll look good on me. You know, that's the way I thought, because of the color. And I'm like, no, it does look pretty. I'm going to add just a tad more on this side. It is pretty. I really loved it. And then when you put powder over it, it just softens the whole thing, because I am going to use a little bit of powder. Now, I'm going to do my lips next. Now, I was teeter-tottering between using which liner, so I really don't know which one to use, but I think I'm just going to stick with my good old faithful Maybelline Gone Grease 104 because it's my favorite. It is my favorite. And I do have some Hottie on my lips. So I need to wipe that off. I love Hottie. That gets your lips ready. Whatever you're going to put on them, it has a little plumping quality to it too. And so let me dry it off. Now we're ready. Now this is just going to glide right on, girl. Oh, this is the most beautiful color to me. I love it. I love how it glides on your lips. It's so easy to use. Let me come around here. I'm going to kind of leave the middle part open and not put any color there, like right here. Okay? Right in there. So fill it in on each side. There we go. Let me lay that down now. We're going to grab our color again. Now I'm going to use my finger to put this on. I'm just going to dab it and do like I did the other night. Just kind of dab it across. Put your lipstick. Isn't that pretty? Oh, gosh. I love it. I absolutely love it. It is so pretty. Now we got to do the eyes. Now, before I put this on my eyes, I want to show you what I have on my eyes right now, currently. These are Younique's colors. These are my favorite fall colors. But I have on this color here, Astute. That's my transition. This one is my lid. You see that good golden? I love this one. This is Visionary. And I used, Marvelous right up here, the little dark color. And that's what I've got. That's all that's on my eyes right now. And I did use, this little palette here is so cute. This is called Humble, and it is a Younique palette, but I'm only using the light color in this. But these are like little pocket palettes. And so I use this light color right here in the corners and up here. And I did do a little bit of, concealer right underneath my brow, okay? Take this. I love this stuff. I love this all-in-one thing. There are so many pretty colors. in this. You will love these. I absolutely loved them before they came out with these colors. Now I'm tapping some of it off on my hand because you don't want to get too much. And what we're going to do, now this is going not right in the crease, but above the crease. I'm just going to put it right up above. And it's just a little wash of color, and it really makes it pop. I did it the other day, and I was like, oh my gosh, look at that. It just is so pretty when you get it on. Oh, I had a good time just playing around with it. Now, I didn't play with it before. I just did it on my Unique by Melissa page on Facebook, and because I have ladies' night on Thursday nights at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you want to come and hang over there, come on, Unique by Melissa. And we have a good time. We ladies, we laugh. And then, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Look at that. That color payoff is just pretty now. I'm just telling you. I love that pop that's right in there. And you don't use a lot. Do you see? I just barely used it. And I'm going to blend out the edges just a tad. Wow, look at that. Let me put my eyes down. Look up. Eyes down. Look up. So pretty. So pretty. Oh, I know you want to try this. And I'll list all the products, you know, for you. Even this palette that I use for my fall. And I keep that one together all the time. And now we got to finish this out. Now, I am going to use a blushing called I'm Blushing. We're going to take a little bit of it. Now, it's a stick one too. Now, this one is going to go right up here. Right up above. Why? Because it's a lighter color. It's like a baby pink, and it looked really pretty the other day when I did it. So I'm just using the Beauty Blender. You can use a brush for this. You don't have to use a beauty blender. But I kind of like the Beauty Blender because it does push it into my skin. Now I am going to just kind of pop it over like that because I get that nice little color going through the center of my face. Oh gosh, that's gorgeous. Very pretty. And to top it off now, I'm going to grab my, this is so fun to use. This is Revolution's Bubble Balm. And it's a highlighter. It's called Rose Gold. And it's got little beads in there. You see them? Oh gosh, this is a fun thing to use. I have really enjoyed using this little thing. Now I'm just going to grab a brush, whatever brush I can get a hold of, and just tap it off. And I'm just going to lightly kind of place that right over where I'm blushing is, okay? Right over that area. And it just gives you a nice little soft, see that? So pretty. Oh my. What do you think? Alrighty, I'm going to finish this off with my Revolution. You know I love this Fix and Glow. It's got those little glowy particles in it. Look at them, it's so pretty. And just use your Beauty Blender, spray it a couple of times, and then just bounce it. Like right through the center of your face. And it sets all that goodness. And plus, it gives you a little bit of glow. I'm a glow bug. It just makes your skin look beautiful. I just love it. I love the way it just light bounces off of it. And it does look good with this blush color too. So look at us, girls. We have fall. We have fall. Yay! I love doing this. Please like and share and click that notification bell. I love it when you come and hang out with me. I'll be 61 this month on the 27th. So 61. I could have never thought I'd be 61. I don't feel 60. I don't know what 61 is supposed to feel like, but I don't feel any different than I did in my late 40s. Something like that. So that's a win-win, right? Yay! All right. Please come back next Saturday. I'm here on Saturdays only, and I love to see y'all pop in here, and I love to see your comments. So if you have something you want me to touch on, or you have questions about what I've done today, just put it in the comments, and I'll be happy to come back and talk to you about it. I will see y'all next Saturday. Bye.